Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to lock apps in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to lock your apps, so guys you can lock guys your app, which app guys you want to lock, so you can lock. In this video guys, I will show you how to lock it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you something. If you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. After that guys, you will have to come on your guys password and security setting. This password and security setting guys, we will click here. Then guys click on privacy password. So enter your privacy password and guys click on app lock. Then guys you can see your app lock here. So like which app guys you want to lock. Example for guys Chrome, phone guys, contacts, Facebook, Google file guys, Gmail, Google, Play Store guys you want to lock. So you can lock from here guys. Phone guys, photos, photo. So as YouTube, so you can lock from here guys. Which app you want to lock all apps, so guys click on this only right option guys. This all app will lock in your phone. So you will have to click here, then guys you can lock your apps. So let's see. So example for guys, now I will show you YouTube. So as when we will open our YouTube, so as you can see we will have to enter password. So guys the password is, then guys we can use YouTube. And guys one more guys, when we open our Google file, so we have password. So I hope friends you have understood how to lock apps in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet to next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.